Alright guys, welcome to today's episode. You can see the ingredients I'm about to prepare and you can see how I do it step by step. Stay with me. First, the onions. Slice the onions, then the carrots, then the vegetables and all the rest of them, the mushrooms. I'm going to slice all of them one by one. Just keep watching. Now done with the vegetables and about to start slicing the beef. Slicing the beef, cutting it into normal size and getting them ready for cooking. Just keep watching. Yo, here comes the intestine, my favorite part. I like this one. This is the tamarind seeds. Getting them off. Now we start the cooking. Put the beef in the pot without water and cover it. Let it boil. Water will come out from the beef. Okay, just cover the pot and wait for some time before adding the vegetables. Now it's boiling, so I need to put the vegetables to bring out the flavors. Step by step, I'm going to add everything in this food and it's going to be wonderful. Keep watching. Thank you. Add in the seasonings and then stir it up and cover it. Wait for it to boil. Now add some salt and stir it. Add some salt, 2 spoons of salt, and stir it properly. Then cover it and wait for it to boil very well. As you can see, it's starting to boil and some water come out from the beef. So later I'm going to add another water. Now add some water to it so it will be enough for the soup. As you can see, it's looking great already and the aroma is amazing. add the rest of the vegetables like the tomato first. I'm not going to add all the vegetable at this time because I don't want all to melt, so I'm adding it bit by bit. Add the carrot and wait and give it some time to boil properly. Cover it up. After some time, add this Ajinomoto to make it delicious. Alright, we are doing it, and the chili is in. Stir it up and then cover it. It's looking great, as you can see. Wow, check this out. It's boiling properly now, you see. Now time to add the mushrooms. I love these mushrooms. They're so delicious and so white. So fresh. Now add a little bit of the vegetable and save some for later. Okay. Now everything is in and is looking great. Ready for a taste. Who wants to have a taste of this food? Let me see your comments, okay? Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. This food really tastes better than it looks. Trust me. Aroy McMac, my chief chef, #1.